This is the Crosshair K55 Pro. Even though this thing did come out in 2021, I was in first grade then. This thing is pretty damn old, but it's still an upgrade from this. I don't even want to search up what this is. So, it's much older keyboard. Sorry. And pretty much, yeah. I upgraded to this. It's 1000 Hz now. Not the best for now, but some I think it was pretty good. I actually took it from a gift. It was a gift from an uncle, I think. I think that's how I call it in English. An uncle. Uncle. It's from an uncle. He used it to play CS2. And now he has much better keyboards. So I guess now I have to use this. So, since we're back into gameplay, jump dash. So, I don't think to test this keyboard, the K55 Pro, I thought of doing something. So I wanted progression list, beginner demons. I kept looking, and then I happened to cross over nothing. The level is called nothing. To test this keyboard, I have like placed 27 attempts and 28%. It is not that hard of a level. So, the last footage went corrupt. Just wasn't there for some reason. I don't know why the last footage wasn't there. I literally edited the video, like half the video is already edited before this point. And it's kind of confusing how the footage went corrupt because the footage just wasn't there. And I remember recording it. Probably went up to 2 things. Probably I just couldn't find it, but yeah, I went into the skill tester. But B, I'll stick with it. B plus. But I'm pretty good at this game mode, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Oh, this is better than enough. How? Whatever. B. We need more B's. That's confusing how it's a B. A minus. Okay, it's a B. I'm happy about it. Okay, for excellent. Okay, an A minus. That's back to good challenge. But you barely have the timer over. So how is that a B plus if anything else is really an A? And how is that a B? I have even more fun. Okay, A. A is all I want is A. Damn, the click delay on this thing is small. You know? You know what? Pause the timer. That's the challenge over there. That's under 20 minutes. That's the challenge over there. I guess I'll go grind hell and see the best attempt. Averagely putting like one attempt. Averagely putting one attempt on a demon and just getting a new best. That is just. So, about this keyboard. At the end of the video. So, if you're a Geometry Dash player, just playing Geometry Dash, there are better choices. It's a pretty damn good keyboard. But if you're a guy who plays CSGO and Geometry Dash, this is a pretty dang good keyboard.